So now we're going to cook the salmon. I marinated with salt and pepper and olive oil only, guys. Ayun guys, lagay na natin dito sa pot para lang i-dressing lang natin. And then after, we're going to put in the oven. Okay. Para hindi siya mag-bangs. Meron pa naman akong enough time guys dahil mamaya pumunta kasi ako sa doctor. Kasi namin yung bagong family doctor namin guys. So this is a wild salmon. So just transfer the salmon. Few minutes. Just nalagay na natin dyan. So nalagay natin sa oven. Guys, this is our pan-sear kuhu salmon and this is a wild salmon.